So now I'm going to briefly touch on the Choo Choo Shimmy. So the Choo Choo Shimmy is done on the balls of the feet. Make sure that you don't roll out to the outside of the foot. You want the energy to go down the line, the inside line of the leg, down into the root of the big toe. And when you first start to do a Choo Choo Shimmy at full speed, well, at least this is how it was for me. I felt like this. And Brittany, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. But what happens is you feel crazy for a while, and then teachers tried to give me feedback, and it just none of it made sense. Basically, this is one of those things you just have to do it, and your body will figure it out. So you start just on the balls of the feet, doing hip work on the up. And this is more relaxed and released than like a hip lock. This is mostly driven by the legs. So your job here is actually just gonna be to relax. And then we're gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and frame the hips however you want. The most important thing is that there's nothing competing with the hips on this for attention. Then we're gonna double and so this is where you relax. One part that is active is your lowest low belly is active, and your spine, the muscles around the spine are active, but you're just relaxed. Shoulders are down. Rolling in place. Okay, that's good. And up. And relax. So this one takes a little stamina building, so I recommend you try it for 1 or 2 counts of 8, cycles of 8, and then 3 or 4 cycles of 8, and then maybe up to a minute, just so to build your strength and stamina with that one. That's the Choo Choo Shimmy.